Hello everyone, my name is Karthik. I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all teachers for the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI. Today, we are going to discuss about various innovative ideas and also we are going to discuss about the learning process of students with a very fun and interesting atmosphere. And now we are going to discuss about a chapter called measurement. The chapter number is 7. This chapter is from NCERT syllabus, class 1, subject maths. So how we are going to learn this chapter? We are going to learn this chapter with the help of an innovative idea called question bank. So what are the innovations behind this innovative idea, question bank? The innovations are formation of question bank through teamwork, which leads to complete understanding of the lesson. Then preparation of question bank through teamwork helps in peer learning. So these are the innovations behind this innovative idea question bank. What are the objectives of this innovative idea? The objectives are to revise the concepts, that is to revise length, for example, far and near, thin and thick, long and short, and also comparison between heavy and light. So these are the objectives of this innovative idea. So how we are going to implement this innovative idea? We are going to implement by providing some model questions to the students to prepare a question bank. What are the model questions? The model questions are out of mother cow and baby calf, which animal is tallest? The possible responses will be mother cow. Out of tree trunk and plant stem, which one is thicker? The possible responses will be tree trunk. And ask out of pumpkin and potato, which one is heavier? The possible responses will be pumpkin. So in this way, provide some model questions to the students in order to prepare a question bank. Now divide the students in the classroom into several groups, so that with the help of this model question, each and every group should prepare a question bank. So in this way the implementation process goes on. So what are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea question bank? The students able to develop their core life skills. The students record data and interpret simple information. The students can estimate and measure short lengths by visualizing. With the help of peer learning, even the poor learners and the children with disabilities can easily understand the concept. Also, experiential learning takes the students from the abstract world to the real world. So these are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea question bank. If you like this video, kindly like and share. Also, please subscribe Sri Aurobindo Society's YouTube channel ZIIEI. On another fine day, let us meet and discuss with another innovation. Until then, It's bye from Karthik. Thanks for watching.